Fiona Phillips, the much-loved former GMTV presenter, has opened up in a deeply emotional account about her ongoing battle with Alzheimer's disease. Diagnosed at 61, Fiona is now 64 and living with a condition that slowly changed her everyday life, her memories, and her ability to communicate. In her soon-to-be-released book, Remember When? My Life with Alzheimer's, Fiona bravely shares what it's been like facing a disease that doesn't come with easy answers or many support systems. In one moving passage, Fiona compares her memory loss to chasing a 5-pound note that's fallen out of your purse on a gusty day. Each time she reaches for a memory, she says it slips away just as she thinks she has it. Everywhere I look, there are memories. I know they are there, but so many feel out of reach now, she writes. Fiona's husband, Martin Frizzell, has become her full-time carer. He stepped down from his role as This Morning editor in 2023 to focus on Fiona's care, knowing their lives were about to change forever. Martin, whom Fiona calls her rock, has helped her put thoughts to paper, especially on days when the right words feel too far away. I couldn't be writing this without Martin and my closest friends, Fiona says. They help me find the words that are now harder for me to reach. One of the hardest parts for Fiona is how Alzheimer's affects her ability to speak freely. I can find talking about my life agonizingly difficult, she admits. Sometimes I get halfway through a sentence and forget where I was going with it. It feels awful. At first, Fiona didn't notice the signs repeating herself, forgetting things, but her doctors and Martin saw the pattern. The strange thing was, I had no awareness of it, she says. I didn't think I was behaving strangely. I wasn't shouting in the street or anything like that. Sadly, the new treatments for Alzheimer's came too late for Fiona. Though she took part in early drug trials, her husband confessed in a painfully honest moment that he wishes it had been another disease. Being brutally honest, I wish Fiona had got cancer instead, Martin shared. At least then she might have had a chance of a cure and proper support. With Alzheimer's, you're left to cope alone. Fiona's courage in sharing her story pulls back the curtain on what life with Alzheimer's is really like, not just for the person living with it, but for their loved ones too. Her book, out later this month, offers a powerful reminder that behind every diagnosis is a life full of memories, love, and a voice still trying to be heard.